this is Dan and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're gonna do another easy to make dream catcher using these two new cords that is available for purchase on my Facebook and Instagram account. I'm gonna be using this 3mm cotton cord. We have three colors available. This is 27 yards per bundle. For this project, I'm gonna be using this powder pink and pastel peach. We'll use this wooden ring with 9.5 inches diameter. So I'm gonna start by cutting 10 cords with 4.5 feet length each. I'm gonna attach it to our wooden ring by making a lark's head knot, but you could also do an inverted lark's head knot or cow hitch. Okay, now that we're done, oh, by the way, just disregard these two cords on the sides. I just put it so we could prevent the wooden ring from moving. Next is we're gonna work in the middle. So what we have to do is to put these cords on top of each other. So our left cords will be on the top. So we're just gonna repeat this process all throughout this project. So let's start with these cords. So again, your left cord should be on top. Okay, and then we're gonna attach this left cord on this side of the wooden ring. So we just have to put it behind, wrap it over, and then put it over again and through, and then pull it tight. So remember that process. Put this cord behind, and then over the wood, and then put the cord over again and through. So we just created our first X, and let's move forward with the next two cords. We are always working in groupings of two, so when I say that the left cord should be on top of your right, it means that it is on top of its partner cord. So we're just gonna continue this process, making an X sign on top and attaching these cords at the bottom on this side of the wooden ring. Now we're gonna move forward and attach 5 cords on each side for our pastel peach cord. So just like the powder pink cord, we also have 10 cords with 4.5 feet length each. Then we're gonna put these cords behind, and then we will just continue making this X sign below this powder pink cord. So same process, left side on top of its partner cord. Then same thing below, we're gonna attach it on the sides. Then we adjust accordingly. Now this part is optional. You could already cut it on a V shape if you want, or we could add another accent. I would add a barrel knot. I have a different tutorial on that which is available on the description box below. So let's just flip this over, wrap this around 3 times, and then pull it tight. So we're gonna form a V from these barrel knots. Then I'm just gonna cut it into a V shape, but I'm allotting 1.5 inch. So we could have this tassel design later. Then I'm just gonna brush these cords that we keep. I'd like to do this to add more texture on this dream catcher. And then let's just fix this. Then I'm gonna add another powder pink cord in the middle. This will serve as our hook. So I'm just gonna simply make another lark's head knot. Then I'm just gonna simply tie it on top.
If you find this video helpful, please share it with me by using the hashtag HabitMade and tagging me on my social media accounts. I would love to see all your work and even feature it on my page. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe and share this with your
Dear friends,
See you on my next video.